there is one simple snack that brings families together in many African homes: fresh boiled groundnuts. Today, I will show you the traditional African way to boil them. If you have never tried them this way, you are in for a treat. Fresh groundnuts are one of nature's seasonal gifts. They come straight from the soil, full of moisture and natural sweetness. There is something special about gathering around a steaming bowl of boiled groundnuts, sharing stories, laughing together, and enjoying the simple blessing God has provided through the earth. The Bible reminds us that the earth is the Lord's and everything in it. Every harvest is a beautiful reminder of God's faithfulness and His abundant provision. Today, we will turn this humble harvest into a delicious snack that many of us grew up loving. So, let's get started. For today's recipe, the first thing we need to do is wash the groundnuts thoroughly. This is because the peanuts come directly from the soil. They usually have sand and dirt clinging to the shell. Rub them together gently while rinsing several times until the water becomes clear. For this particular groundnut, I washed it 5 times. After washing the groundnuts, pour them into a tray and sort them. Remove all the dirt particles. Groundnuts which have started germinating and the broken ones. We do the sorting at this point because the groundnuts are clean and we can see them clearly. Now, transfer the washed groundnuts into a large pot and pour in enough water. Fresh groundnuts absorb water as they cook, so don't be afraid to add plenty. Add in salt to taste depending on the quantity of groundnuts you are boiling. Boil the groundnuts over medium heat. African fresh groundnuts usually takes between 30 minutes to 45 minutes to become perfectly tender, depending on how mature they are. As they cook, your kitchen will be slowly filled with that rich, earthy aroma that reminds so many of us of home. To me, cooking is more than preparing food. It is the preserving of memories and passing traditions from one generation to another. After about 30 minutes, begin checking them. Take one out carefully. Allow it to cool slightly. Then, crack open the shell. The nut inside should be soft, creamy, and fully cooked without any hard center. If it still feels firm, simply continue cooking and check again after another 15 minutes. Once they are fully cooked, drain the excess water. Serve the groundnuts while they are still warm. The peanuts are delicious on their own and make the perfect snack to enjoy with family, friends, or while relaxing after a long day. Every bite reminds us of the simple blessings God has placed in the earth. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another delicious recipe. Leave me a comment below and tell me, do you like your boiled groundnuts plain or lightly salted? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.